I think I found it. That's right, the second profit in a row. I fixed the first loss. Super well done! Today, I will show you how I managed to earn $1,200 in one session. Without complicated schemes and without a million indicators, everything is honest. I use only two tools, envelopes and DeMarker. Together, they are great for finding reversal points and moments when the price is overheated or oversold. I don't guess, I don't click at random, I open a transaction with specific logic. And now I will show you everything as it is, how I make decisions, where I enter, what I look at, and how I manage risk. So, if you're interested in how to trade according to a clear system, watch carefully and let's get started. I will quickly go over the basics. I start with $11,670. The risk per trade is $500. The expiration is 1 minute and I use a 30-second time frame. It's just easier for me to track the movements. So now I set up the indicators. The first one is envelopes. I set the period to 15 and the offset to 0.07. The second indicator is DeMarker. Here the period is 12. It's simple. All that's left is to find the first entry point. I think I found it. I open a bullish trade. According to envelopes, we are at the lower border. And according to DeMarker, we are almost in the 30 zone. This means that the market is oversold. There is a chance for an upward bound. The chart shows an upward movement, and I expect that we will reach the upper border of the channel. We have already passed the middle of envelopes. The trend is gaining strength, and the trade has every chance of closing in my favor. That's right, the first trade brings in $920 in profit, and the indicators immediately show that they work perfectly. I move on to finding the next opportunity. I open another deal, long again. Here everything is equation. We approach a strong support zone and there was growth from here earlier. Now I see a similar situation. According to DeMarker, we are deep under 30 and envelopes is broken from below. The price starts to bounce. This is generally the most direct signal possible. Too many coincided, so I follow the signals and don't worry. Yes, the price jumped a lot, there was volatility, but in the end the deal closed with a profit of $940. The second profit in a row, we move on. By the way, I showed all these trades in real time on my Telegram channel, and of course, my dear subscribers traded with me and shared screenshots of their profits. Want some advice? If you are tired of trading blindly and want to get clear working entry points, then follow the link under the video. Open Telegram, click write and simply write, I want access to a closed channel. Then I will write to you myself, show and tell you everything and also add you to the team. Over the past 2 weeks, I have given 107 signals and 92% of them brought profit. And if you're not ready for the closed part yet, take a look at the free channel. Everything is there too, trades, results, reviews in the public domain. Just go in, see for yourself, perhaps this will be the very start. So here I enter a trade for a decrease because the middle line of envelopes which used to hold the price was broken. Now it did not hold and the downward movement may continue. According to DeMarker, there is still a reverse to the 30 zone. It is logical to expect that we will go further down. The market was bought out sharply and I fixed the first loss. The price rose sharply, which means a false breakout accord. This happens, increase the risk for the next transaction, but I will not re-enter here. Too unstable. I would better find a more pleasant point. Here I see a good point for opening a short. I see how the price bounces off the upper border of the channel as it happened before. And history shows that we went beyond the upper edge and then went down. So the market is almost at 17, a signal for correction. I'm waiting for movement toward the lower border of envelopes and a decrease in DeMarker to 30. Super well done! Thanks to a good signal, I took another $1,860. Although there was no strong correction, the movement went in my direction. I think I will finish for today. As a result, there were 3 profitable trades, 1 loss, but the result is still cool. I added $1,200 to my balance for this session. No fuss, everything according to strategy, calmly and confidently. I will stop here. You also need to take your profits on time. Let me remind you that you can always refuse unnecessary panic and start trading consciously and on good signals. And to do this, go to Telegram using the link below. Click Write to me and write, I want access to a closed channel. I will answer and help you and also provide access. In a closed chat, we trade every day, more than 100 traders, dozens of signals, and a stable profit. And if you just want to watch first, take a look at the free channel. Everything is transparent there, transactions, screenshots, reviews, and of course, click a like, subscribe, and be sure to watch the next video. There I will show another simple strategy that really works. So, see you!